Hello, my dear students. Very precious good morning to all of you. Once again, welcome to Dr. Sanjay Singh Biology Tutorials. Myself, Dr. Sanjay Singh, Biology teacher, Subra Singh Children Academy, Argopur Kalan, Jaunpur. In previous lectures, I have discussed about the human respiratory system in very details. Today, now we are going to discuss the mechanism of breathing. In previous lectures, in starting previous lectures, I discussed a general introduction about the breathing. Breathing is what? Breathing is inhale of oxygen and expel of carbon dioxide through the respiratory system, that is known as breathing. Actually, the breathing is a type of respiratory process. It includes the breathing involves two stages. Breathing involves two stages. The two stages included under the breathing. The first is known as inhalation or inspiration and another is known as exhalation or expiration. मतलब in breathing process, inhalation as well as exhalation both takes place. Inhalation means क्या होगा? Air enter or air inside lungs through atmosphere. Air in. Air में क्या होगा? Oxygen molecules enter inside the lung through atmosphere. But in case of exhalation में क्या होगा? Airs expelled out from the lungs. That is यहाँ पर एयर होगा, that is known as carbon dioxides. It means breathing process. Oxygen is a type of gas. They are taken inside the body by the inspiration process as well as carbon dioxide. This is very dangerous gas for your body, your health. They are expelled out through lungs outside of the body. That is known as exhalation or expiration. I will discuss detail one by one. The first of all, discuss detail on expiration or inhalation. Before discuss expiration and inspiration, six important part of the body involved in breathing process. वो सिक्स क्या होंगे? नंबर वन इज रिब्स, सेकेंड is phrenic or radial muscles. Third, external intercostal muscles, intercostal costal muscles. Fourth, internal intercostal muscles. Sternum, it is also known as chest bone, and the loss is the diaphragm. So 6 important part of the body: ribs, phrenic or radial muscles, external intercostal muscle, internal intercostal muscles, sternum or chest bone, as well as diaphragms are involved in breathing process, involved in both expiration as well as inspiration. So breathing is what? The breathing exchange of gases takes place from environment to lungs, that is known as breathing or external respiration. When oxygen molecules enter inside the lungs, this process from atmosphere, this process is known as inspiration. When the carbon dioxide, this is a type of gas expelled out from lungs to the environment, that is known as exhalation or expiration. In both the process, 6 important part of the body play a very significant role. So I will discuss detail one by one, inhalation as well as exhalation. So first of all, discuss exhalation inhalation or inspiration. The first is inhalation or inspiration. Inhalation or inspiration. First of all, draw the diagrams. Here is the thoracic cavity. On the above sides, here is the simple diagrams of inhalations. Is the very simple diagrams of inhalations. Air entering lungs. Here is the inspiration or inhalation. At the diaphragm फ्लैट, क्योंकि ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है. Here is the rib cage. Ribs and sternum raised. Ribs and sternum raised. Inhalation or inspiration. Here is the simple diagrams of inspiration or inhalation. It is an active process. Active process. It is the active process. Why it is called an active process? Because active process मतलब होता है this process required energy. This is the energy dependent process. Inhalation is what? Is a type of energy dependent process. Two important muscles are important role for inspiration. The first is phrenic nerves. Phrenic muscles or radial muscles. They are present in between ribs and diaphragms. Diaphragm. The another muscles, this is the phrenic muscles or radial muscle. This is another muscles that is known as external intercostal muscle. External intercostal muscles, they are present between ribs. There are two different type of muscles are present in the respiratory system. The first muscles that is known as phrenic muscles or radial muscles, they are present between ribs and diaphragms के बीच में होती है. And the another muscles, they are present between the rib cage here, present in here, that is known as external intercostal muscles. माने intercostal muscles there are two type, external as well as internal. As you know that in previous lecture I discussed detail कि here is the thoracic cavity या the thorax. हमने बताया था कि their lungs they are covered, ये covered होती है to a pleural membrane. The outer is known as parietal, inner layer is known as visceral membrane. In between them fluids are present, that is known as pleural fluid. तो ये क्या करती है, इसी के जस्ट वहाँ पर आपको मसल्स आर प्रेजेंट, यहाँ पर प्रेजेंस होती हैं. वन मसल्स दे आर प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन द रिब्स एंड डायफ्राम. अनदर मसल्स दे आर प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन द रिब केज. तो व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द मसल्स एट द टाइम ऑफ इनहेलेशन और एक्सपायरेशन की अगर हम बात करते हैं, अगर हम पहले इसकी बात करें तो ये यहां पर क्या होती है, कंट्रैक्ट. जब ये कंट्रैक्ट हो रही है तो क्या होगा, व्हाट हैपेंस, क्या क्या चीजें इसमें हो सकती हैं. डायफ्राम फ्लैट्स, डायफ्राम फ्लैट बिकॉज दे आर प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन देम, इस सीधा फ्लैट हो गया ड्यू टू कंट्रैक्शन ऑफ फ्रेनिक मसल्स और रेडियल मसल्स, ये सीधा हो जाता है. तो देयरफॉर इंक्रीज द thoracic cavity इंक्रीज होगी. पल्मोनरी प्रेशर lower than atmospheric pressure, atmospheric pressures. And when the external intercostal muscles contract, जब ये contract हो रही है, various changes takes place in here also. Here also contracts जब हो रही है, when the external intercostal muscles contracts, rib cage move outwards, thoracic cavity enlarge, thoracic cavity enlarge, enlarge, increases, बढ़ जाती है, pulmonary pressures, pulmonary pressure, pressure lower than atmospheric pressure, atmospheric pressure, atmospheric pressure. Therefore, what is the pulmonary pressure? Means pressure they are present inside the lungs or thoracic cavity. जब वहां पर कम होगा in comparison to the atmospheric pressure, therefore the ears move from higher partial pressure to lower partial pressure. तो here यहां पर क्या हो रहा है, ears enter, ये enter हो रही है inside the thoracic cavity and this process is known as inspiration or inhalation. तो आपने देखा है कि inhalation क्यों हो रहा है, what is the mechanism takes place in our respiratory systems में क्या हो रहा है. तो नंबर मैंने क्या कहा है कि two important muscles they are present in the respiratory system. The one muscles that is known as phrenic muscles, another muscles is known as external intercostal muscle. When both the muscles are contract, आप इसको देखा कि ये जब contract हो रही है तो क्या हो रहा है और ये contract हो रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है. तो आपने देखा है कि diaphragm become flat हो गया. जब flat होगा तो इसकी क्या होगी, thoracic cavity enlarge होगी, बढ़ेगी, डम शेप्ड नहीं है यहाँ पर. एट द टाइम ऑफ कंट्रैक्शन ऑफ फ्रेनिक मसल्स enlarge हो रही है. therefore thoracic cavity increases. after that the pulmonary pressure, it means lung pressure is lower than the atmospheric pressure. यहाँ पर प्रेशर कम हो गया, अंदर चेस्ट के अंदर प्रेशर कम हो जाता है. सिमिलर वे यहाँ पर भी आप देखो कि ये एक्सटर्नल इंटरकॉस्टल मसल्स भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती है, साइमल्टेनियसली दोनों कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती है. यहाँ पर भी रिब केज मूव आउटवर्ड. आप यहाँ पर रिब एंड स्टर्नम, स्टर्नम इज व्हाट, चेस्ट बोन रेज इन आउटवर्ड्स, बाहर की तरफ ये मूव कर रही है. देयरफॉर अगेन क्या हो रहा है, चेस्ट कैविटी इनलार्ज हो रही है. जब इनलार्ज होगी तो क्या होगा, पल्मोनरी प्रेशर डाउन इनसाइड द लंग्स इन कंपैरिजन टू द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. तो कंक्लूजन में क्या होगा, द एयर्स they can move from atmosphere to inside the lungs and this process is known as inspiration or inhalation. Clear? Second is expiration or exhalation. Second is exhalation, exhalation, halation or expiration, expiration. Exhalation or expiration, here is the sample diagrams draw in here. Here is the simple diagrams. In here here is the simple structures of thoracic cavity as well as diaphragms. In here ears move outsides because inside the pressure is higher than the atmospheric pressures. Air expelled from the lungs. Here is the diagrams of expiration. Expiration diaphragms relax and dome shaft. Ribs and sternum, that is known as chest bone. Sternum move inwards. Here is the rib cage. In case of exhalation or expiration in air, phrenic nerve and external intercostal muscles both are relaxed. जब ये रिलैक्स होती है, जब होगी तो क्या हो गया? नंबर वेरियस चेंजेस टेक्स प्लेस इन एयर. Diaphragms relax, diaphragm become dome shaped, ribs and sternum move inwards, and thirds में क्या होगा? आफ्टर दैट इसके कारण से क्या होगा? thoracic cavity decrease होगी. therefore increases pulmonary pressure than atmospheric pressure. तो क्या हो गया? इसके कारण से क्या हो रहा है कि एयर्स expelled from lungs to atmosphere. This process is known as expiration. इसी को हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? This process is known as expiration और exhalation. अभी बात आती है कि क्या ऐसा कंडीशंस आ जा रहा है कि एक्सहेलेशन और एक्सपायरेशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो जाता है. मीन्स कोई भी जब मसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करती है आफ्टर दैट रिलैक्स. तो पहले क्या हुआ? इन केस ऑफ इनहेलेशंस बोथ द नर्व्स, phrenic nerves and external intercostal muscles, both the nerves are contract. जब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुई तो क्या हुआ? डायफ्राम्स बिकम फ्लैट्स हो गया, वहां था. एज वेल एज आपको रिब्स एंड स्टर्नम मूव आउटवर्ड्स, देयरफॉर इंक्रीज द thoracic cavity. बट इन ईयर phrenic nerves and external intercostal muscles both are relaxed. After that diaphragms become dome shaped. यहाँ आर्च के जैसा अंदर की तरफ ये दबाने लगता है, आप ये देख सकते हो. as well as ribs and sternum move inwards, अंदर की तरफ आएगा. therefore decreases the thoracic cavity, decrease होने लगती है. after that increase the pulmonary pressure inside the lungs than the atmospheric pressures. वो होगा, ज़्यादा होगा. इस कारण से क्या होगा, airs expelled from lungs to environments from higher partial pressure to low partial pressure. और ये जो एयर्स होती है मोस्टली क्या निकलती है बाहर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. तो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज एक्सहेलेशन और एक्सपायरेशन. कभी कभी हम लोग ये बात भी सुनने को मिलता है कि फोर्सफुल एक्सपायरेशन क्या है. तो ये जो एक्सहेलेशंस होते हैं और एक्सपायरेशन इज ए टाइप ऑफ पैसिव प्रोसेस. एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है पैसिव प्रोसेस. इसके पहले क्या था, एक्टिव प्रोसेस था. इट इज नॉट ए एनर्जी डिपेंडेंट प्रोसेस. बट अगर अब हम बात करेंगे फोर्सफुल एक्सपायरेशन क्या होगा, तो फोर्सफुल एक्सपायरेशन इज ए टाइप ऑफ एक्टिव प्रोसेस. forceful expiration. Forceful expiration. In forceful expiration, two another muscles are involved for forceful expiration. Forceful expiration का मतलब होता है जैसे नॉर्मली जो हम ब्रीथ करते हैं दैट इज नोन एज नॉर्मल एक्सपायरेशन और नॉर्मल इंस्पायरेशन. कभी कभी हम प्रेशर लगा कर जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को बाहर निकालते हैं दैट इज नोन एज फोर्सफुल एक्सपायरेशन. तो इन द फोर्सफुल एक्सपायरेशन हम प्रेशर लगा, एनर्जी लगा रहे हैं. इट इज ए टाइप ऑफ एक्टिव प्रोसेस. एक ऐसा प्रोसेस हुआ एक्टिव प्रोसेस. इट इज ए टाइप ऑफ एक्टिव प्रोसेस. या एक्टिव प्रोसेस रहता है. टू मसल्स involved in forceful expiration. Involved in forceful expiration. Number 1 is internal intercostal muscles. Number 1 is internal intercostal muscles, and another is known as two muscles are involved in forceful expiration. Another is the abdominal muscles. The intercostal muscles, they are present in between the ribs. बाहर की तरफ एक्सटर्नल इंटरकॉस्टल मसल और उसी रिब्स के अंदर की तरफ इंटरनल इंटरकॉस्टल मसल्स आर प्रेजेंट. एंड द एब्डोमिनल मसल्स दे आर प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन द एब्डोमिन्स रीजन. ये एब्डोमिन्स रीजन होता है वहाँ पर होती है. तो ये जब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती है द एब्डोमिनल जो ऑर्गन्स होते हैं उसको ऊपर की तरफ प्रेशर लाती है. तो when both the muscles are contract, जब ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होंगी, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, इसके कारण से क्या होगा, डायफ्राम हैविंग मोर डम शेप्ड, मतलब इसके जो आर्चेड होंगे, ये जो आर्च होगा वह ज्यादा ऐसा मूव करेगा, अंदर की तरफ जाएगा. एज वेल एज रिब्स एंड sternum मूव मोर इनवर्ड्स की तरफ वो मूव करती है. देयरफॉर इससे क्या होगा, इससे कंक्लूजन में क्या आ रहा है, इन दोनों के एक्शन से कंक्लूजन क्या बनेगा, थोरैसिक कैविटी. ये जो थोरैसिक कैविटी आर मच reduced and therefore more pressure, high pulmonary pressure created inside इनसाइड लंग्स में क्रिएट होगा, क्रिएटेड इनसाइड द लंग्स, एंड देयरफॉर जो भी एयर इनसाइड द लंग्स हो गया एक्सपेल्ड आउटसाइड ऑफ द बॉडी। तो दिस टाइप ऑफ expiration is known as forceful expiration. Why the forceful expirations occur in our body? Because two another muscles are present in our body. One is the internal intercostal muscles as well as abdomen. Another is the abdominal muscle. Internal intercostal muscles they are present between the ribs के बीच में होती है, as well as abdominal muscles they are present in between the abdominal organs. When the both the muscles are contract, जैसे ही दोनों मसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती है, डायफ्राम्स हैविंग मोर डम शेप्ड, ये ज़्यादा और ऐसा बनाएगा, एज वेल एज ये ज़्यादा की तरफ मूव करेंगी, तो इसकी जो थोरैसिक कैविटी जो होती है मच रिड्यूस, देयरफॉर मोर पॉर्स, ये आपको देख पल्मोनरी प्रेशर क्रिएटेड इनसाइड द लंग्स, एयर को क्या करेगा, एक्सपेल्ड, एयर एक्सपेल्ड आउटसाइड through pressure, through force, through pressure, through pressures. So this type of expiration is known as forceful expiration. Clears? So what is the forceful expiration भी clear हुआ, and what is the expiration and what is the inspiration. अब ये कहा कि normal rate of breathing in human beings lost conclusions. Normal rate of breathing in humans 16 to 20 times per minute. 16 to 20 times per minute they are vary from one organism to another organism, but at the time of heavy exercise or at the time of running breathing rates will be increased, वो increase हो जाएगा. This is the normal rate of breathing when the any persons जो available in resting phase में अगर होता है, तो at this time the breathing rates of human being is near about 16 to 20 times per minute, but at the time of heavy exercise or at the time of running breathing rates may be increases, because at the time of heavy exercise or at the time of running body needed more energy, ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए, और एनर्जी लिबरेटेड इन अवर बॉडी with the help of oxygen molecule, and the oxygen molecules enter in our body with the help of breathing process. So here the mechanism of breathings are totally finished here, and these topics are very very important for examination point of view as well as competition point of view. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day all of you.